Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a very short video. I just want to tell you, eventually, this information will be posted. Won't be soon. You have to do your own research. We've already put up the tax document, but I think it's about 120 pages. Well, this one is 170 pages. This one just goes ahead and further proves that an individual, pay attention, can use property to pay United States Treasury taxes pursuant to the Revenue Act of 1918. This has not been repealed. But they amended it. They didn't amend it. They didn't take away the provision of using property. For the same reason, the IRS places a lien on someone's property to pay taxes. Property can be used to pay taxes. So that's me saying it in the most easiest form for people to understand. The other way to say it is that, yes, you can use your assets, your financial assets, on your balance sheet to pay taxes. That's what the last part talks about. That's what this area talks about. Gives you the laws. Promissory notes delivered to the Federal Reserve at received at par face value applies to any bank where the member is not explicitly referenced. You are a bank. This is what they do all the time. Net operating losses defined as excess of deductions allowed over gross income dollar for dollar. That proves your net operating losses are dollar for dollar are financial assets. All ordinary and necessary expenses shall be allowed. Mandatory accrual method. Taxpayer books govern. I didn't make this up. Go check it out for yourself. When the right to receive income becomes fixed, the income accruers, although not then actually received. I've never received it, Your Honor, but I accrued it. I just used the accrual method, the double entry bookkeeping. The right becomes fixed. It's an event. Got to remember about events. When the event happens is when you're going to recognize it. It's yo choose an action. You get to choose the action. Okay? You get to, I chose it, Your Honor. I chose in action. It's a very stupid term, but it's their so-called phrase. So, ladies and gentlemen, I already know what I know. I just told the system to find it. Find it! Go look for it! And it went on a hunt, and it found it. Now, this, for all of our consult people, the ones who are in the consultation room, that document is right here for you at the very bottom. Ta-da! So you get it automatically. Go get it! The rest of you, y'all don't get it. That's for the consult people right now. Y'all gonna get it later. Only erroneous and accidental overpayments are refundable. A deliberate strategic overpayment cannot generate a refund. That's a presumption. See? Presumption. Deliberate overpayment cannot entitle a taxpayer to a refund. Irrefutable rebuttal, facts and conclusions of law, any amount paid in excess of taxes imposed shall be credited or refunded. Any amount is unqualified. Congress did not write any erroneous paid amount. Congress did not write any accidental paid amount. The word is any. Any means any. Any means any. Told you any means any. It is a, pay attention, negative determiner. Negative. Negative. That's negative, Your Honor. Negative determiner. And as long as any is a negative determiner, it means any. It means any. It doesn't mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means any. It means 150 times. It means all of that. That's what it means. It means it. All right. This is just me letting you know that the latter part rebuts any presumption to the contrary. The beginning part has rebuttals of presumptions, but the latter part has irrefutable rebuttals of presumptions. Cha-ching! You feel me? So, this is your tax guide. We gave you a sample already. Go look for the videos. The EeoN Consultation Room. Go to the playlist. It's a playlist. It's called Jobs. That's right. We got a Jobs section. Hold on. Come on. Playlist? Where you at? See, the ultimate job. That's the playlist. Go to the ultimate job playlist, and you're gonna look videos, and you're gonna look for the one with the link. I think this is the one with the hot links. The easiest job in the world. I don't know if that's it. That's not it. What's this one? Oh, look at that. It says see link. It says building wealth without a job. See the link? There's a link there. Okay, follow the link. Follow the yellow brick link. Okay. Oh no, that's ChatGPT. That ain't the link. Oh God, I gotta find the one with the link. I think it's this one. Let's see. There's the link. Nope, that's another GPT. This is the link. The redressright.me. Watch what I'm gonna do. Watch what I'm gonna do for y'all. Cha-ching. We're gonna go there, and then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go here. I think that's the link anyway. And then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go here. This one don't say link, so y'all just gonna have to read the description. Welcome to the YouTube channel of EeoN, and you're gonna read the description and you're gonna see the link. So we're gonna put the link in at least 4 videos, so y'all can leave me alone and stop messing with y'all. Leave me alone. Okay. It's tax season, and a lot of you are going through a whole lot, and many of you are attempting to contact me. You're scheduling consults, but some of you who've had consults in the past don't want to pay for another consult. You want to get a freebie. Now, you're going to get yelled at because, as I tell you, there's too many people, and I don't have the time. And I don't care about your feelings because you don't care about mine. You see what I'm saying? You don't care about mine. When I tell you that I'm busy and I have too much going on, you don't care. You just want whatever you want done. Life doesn't work that way. I'm not going to put you ahead of me because I'm more important than you. That's right, I said it. I am more important than you. And the people out there are more important than you. The needs of the many outweigh the needs of the one, and I'm a whole lot more than you could ever be. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that because I'm cocky. I'm saying that because 7 days a week, I'm spending hours producing this stuff and putting this stuff out for people, and I'm not expecting nothing back. Okay? I'm going to start expecting something back. You had better believe it. People start using my documents to get paid. Y'all gonna contribute. Y'all gonna donate. Okay? No, I'm sorry, got to do that one. So that's why this is given to people in the consults for free. Now we're going to start teaching this to people. We're going to start a legitimate class, legitimate course in just this issue, asset acquisitions. Why? Because it's the law. Nobody else teaches it. Yeah, they teach it every once in a while in college, but nobody focuses on it. Look, we got Iran showing exactly how weak the system is, how weak the financial system is, how it's propped up. All Iran did was said, we're going to close the strait and bombed a couple of ships. And look at what it did to the entire world economy. You understand? I can't even begin to tell you about the United States going after Iran because Iran was part of BRICS and India has already removed itself from BRICS. The United States put that much pressure on India to remove itself from BRICS. And now they're going after Iran because you have Cuba, Venezuela, which are allies of Russia and China. And now they went after Venezuela, now they went after Cuba, and now they're going after Iran, leaving China, North Korea, and Russia by themselves. And they have other allies, but you understand what's going on? This is a proxy war against Iran. Shh. There's more going on here than you know. The United States is trying to isolate Russia. They went after Venezuelan oil because Russia was getting its oil from Venezuela. So was China. They were getting their oil from Iran. So was China. And now, well, you can get it from India. We're going to take care of Iran. Now, if you think Iran doesn't have allies, you're wrong. Iran says, we got this. We don't need your help right now. When we need your help, we'll let you know. All right, we're standing by. It's what their allies are saying. Iran's got too much pride. Okay? Not my war, not my battle, not my conflict. All I did was told people in 2013 there was going to be a conflict between Russia and Iran, and eventually there's going to be this thing about a nuclear bomb. Excuse me, not nuclear, dirty bomb going off in the Middle East, and then there's going to be the blame game. When that happens, oh well, we're running out of time, people. That's what the last song I did was talking about. That's the subject matter. All right, that's the end of this video. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.